A good day to everyone, and my name is Vinodh. I am from SECJ course. Today I'll be presenting PSM1 final report, and my supervisor is Mohammad Khatib Sabrini. So the system that I'll be going to develop is called Monitor Meet, an attendance system of Monitor Meet. So this system is exactly known for more towards the exam management and lecture class side. So there are a total of four things in the exam management and lecture class, which is designing assessment, grading and feedback, students management, and control delivery. So the most hard part to control during the exam management and lecture class is student management. So this the stakeholders that involves are lectures and examiners. So the problem faced by the lectures and examiners. First, it's challenging to monitor all the students' behavior simultaneously. Second, attendance lists during the exam period are occasionally misplaced. Third, students' concentration on the lecture reduce. So what are the solution? The solution is to create a system. For first, one is a mobile-based system for the student side where it has a login feature to ensure the students cannot create multiple accounts with the same login credentials, and attendance QR code scanner to utilize to track students' attendance alongside monitor their smartphone activity. On the other hand, is a web-based system for the lectures and examiners. So what they can do? They can generate QR code for the attendance tracking and view the smartphone activity of the students. Send warning alerts to students advertising them against smartphone usage. Third, able to manually create, read, update and delete the students in the system. Fourth, generate a student list that indicates the details of the mobile application usage. So the scope of this project is where to develop system development will be more focused on tracking the students' background application usage. All students' information and track application usage will be displayed real time in the web system. So every time there's a student key in the attendance, the system will update. Third will be the mobile application system, and the website system will work simultaneously with the database to avoid any student's information or tracked application usage misplace. So for the literature review part, the introduction will be summary of the smartphone monitoring apps with emphasis on class and exam periods. So the objective is to develop the system, monitor it, to help examiners monitor the student's smartphone. So one of the university I've been investigating is UTM, where their current attendance system, they still uses traditional method for the exam, like having a paper slip in the examination slip, and they fill in, and the lectures will keep that. Sometimes this also can misplace as well. So I conduct a survey result from the lecture and student itself. From the lectures, 80% of them support the app development for the monitor meet, while for the students, 66.7% support for the app to monitor and block non-essential usage. So there are few similar systems with these monitor meet systems. So which are UTM Smart, which has QR code attendance system, fee payment, result viewing. And there's another app called Stay Free where it tracks app usage, can set limit, focus mode, and last but not least, Guardian Parent where they can monitor their child's phone activity, include control for time and content filtering. So as a conclusion, monitor me. Integrate smartphone using tracking with attendance for enhancement monitoring during classes and exam. So these are the comparison between the systems, where all the systems runs in Android and only Stay Free doesn't run in iOS. And this is the other comparison, which is the track all application, smartphone activity control, reminder notification, attendance QR scanner, user login or logout, and cost. Has from this table we can see that monitor mates satisfy most of the requirements and the features. So for the project requirements, we need some softwares and hardwares like Visual Studio Code, Android Studio, laptop, and programming language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Laravel, Flutter, Firebase, cellular network, and database. Next is for the system requirement and analysis. In this system, the architecture style will be used is layered, where it has 5 layers, which is presentation layer, application layer, business layer, data access layer, and database layer. And the architecture pattern used is model view model architecture pattern. And throughout this system project, agile methodology will be used, where it has total of 7 phases, which are project planning, analysis of requirement, design, project implementation, testing, deployment, and product maintenance. So as a conclusion, throughout this thesis, what are the achievement has been made? First, have successfully collected and gathered all the requirement from the stakeholders. From the stakeholders which the requirements are collected, it is analyzed and identify the important feature need to be developed in the system. And all the functional requirements are designed in diagrams like use case, sequence, activity, class diagram to understand how the system works. So that's all for the presentation. Thank you.